The magical stick. There was a village, and in the village there lived a poor family. Ramesh, Suresh and their mother stayed in their family. Ramesh used to work very hard and earn the livelihood for his family. He used to go to the forest daily, cut woods from there, go to the market and sell them. He used to earn the livelihood by doing this. There used to be many trees in the forest. So, after taking rest for a while, he used to again cut some more woods, go to the market, sell them and gather money.
Mother, today I am very hungry. Please give me something to eat. Come Suresh, let's eat.
Mother gave chapatis to both of them.
Chapati again? Should we eat this only daily? Do something new, Mother.
Suresh, you must not tell like this. We should have whatever we get to eat. Ramesh is putting a lot of efforts to earn money. We are at least having these chapatis.
Ramesh could not see all this. He felt very sad.
Like every day, Ramesh went to the forest. He did his work, piled up all the logs and sat under a tree. But Ramesh was very tensed and sad that day. He did not understand what to do. A magic happened suddenly. The tree's soul came out and asked Ramesh,
Ramesh, what are you thinking? What happened? Hey, can you speak? Oh yes.
So Ramesh shared all his grievances with the tree.
Oh, is it?
Later, the tree gave him a special stick.
This is a normal stick. No, this is not a normal stick. It is a special stick. With this stick, you can eat whatever you wish to. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. With this stick, now our family will not be hungry. Ramesh, remember one thing. This special stick will work only once in a day. Sure, my friend.
And then Ramesh left the place. Taking the stick, Ramesh went home very happy.
Mother, see what I got.
What is so special about it? It is a normal stick, right? What will you do with this stick, brother?
This is not a normal stick. It's a special stick. With this, we can eat whatever we want. Really? Hey, wow. Then let's order. I'm very hungry. Tell Suresh, what do you want to eat? I want to have chapati, rice, sweet, jalebi, paneer and ice cream also.
As soon as he asked, Ramesh just showed the stick and all the items occurred in front of them. This is really magic. That day, all of them ate sufficiently and were very happy. As usual, Ramesh went to the forest, gathered logs from the forest and sat under the tree. One day, Ramesh's mother went out. Suresh was all alone at home. He was very hungry and Suresh used the special stick to order the food. All the items appeared before him. Suresh ate happily and slept. Ramesh also reached home soon from the forest. He also was very hungry. Soon he took the stick and rotated it and ordered everything he wanted to eat, but nothing came in front of him. Ramesh did it again, but still he did not get whatever he wanted to eat. Then Ramesh remembered the words told by the tree. Mother also reached home by then. When mother saw Ramesh was crying and Suresh was sleeping happily. What happened? Why are you crying?
I was very hungry. I am not able to order food from that special stick. Seems like Suresh used it before me.
And started crying. Mother now understood everything. Mother taught Suresh in the manner he would understand. Suresh, learn to think about others too. We will be called selfish people. We should share whatever we have. Suresh understood his mistake and asked for apology from the brother. Ramesh and his mother had to be angry because of Suresh. What did you understand from this story? We should not think selfishly. We should think about others too.